Can you beat a 12-cylinder supercar with a 6-cylinder Nissan in a drag race? Well, we're going to find out, because I'm going to race these two cars over the standing quarter mile. What will win, the Ferrari or the Nissan? Well, there might be a surprise in store, and I'll reveal why a little later on in this video. I'm Matt Watson, you're watching Carwow. The Nissan GT-R NISMO has a 3.8 litre twin-turbo V6 that puts out 600 horsepower and 652 Nm of torque. It drives all four wheels via a 6-speed dual-clutch automatic gearbox, and the car weighs in at 1,725 kilograms. When it was new, the GT-R NISMO cost £125,000. However, this particular car is a little bit special, as Sam is about to find out. The Ferrari 812 Superfast has a 6.5 litre naturally-aspirated V12 that puts out 800 horsepower and 718 Nm of torque. This drives the rear wheels only via a 7-speed dual-clutch automatic gearbox. The car weighs in at 1,630 kilograms. When this car was new, it cost over £260,000. I've got four-wheel drive, you've got rear-wheel drive, you've got a load more power. I've got 600 horsepower, you've got 800. I mean, what do you think is going to happen?
I mean, that's a GT-R, isn't it? They get off the line pretty good. It's whether or not I can make up the deficit before the quarter mile, isn't it? That's the question.
Well, if that hawks, that should fly, but it all depends on your traction. Let's find out. Before that though, let's do a carwow sound check. So I'm going to rev up my Nismo. Sounds pretty good. Now let's have a listen to your Gintani equipped 812. Whoa! There's no disputing the winner there. Let's get on with the drag race. Maybe I can save some face. Let's just call this before we get into the race. Let's do best 3 out of 5, okay?
That means lots of running. I'm happy to be in this car as long as you like.
As long as we don't get thrown off because that's so loud. Oh, it's good off the line. Come on! Oh, he's coming back now!
Oh my God! Come on!
Oh no, 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 no! Oh! Oh my gosh, my launch was good. Yours looked good, but then there was wheel spin, wasn't there? You managed to reel me back in.
Yeah, that's as I thought. It's just this trying to put the power down, but I think there was a lot of temperature issues there. I think if we go again, this is going to be better and better and better. Okay,
it's best 3 out of 5, so that's 1-0 to you. I'll see you on the start line. What Sam doesn't know is that this car has a tune on it. I was actually running it in stock power then, so just like a normal Nismo. But if I press this button on the steering wheel, I can increase the horsepower. I'm going to increase it to about 700. Should even things up a bit. More wheel spin there. He's going to wonder what's going on. Can he reel me back in?
Come on!
Look, he's almost going to do it. Oh my goodness, that was close. You got a really good launch, but my launch seemed even better.
Yeah, I have to admit, in that first run, I didn't expect you to get a better launch. So had your launch been the same as our first one, that would have been neck and neck. Wow, that was good.
So that's 1 each, right?
Yeah, you got that one, I think, but my God, it was close.
Okay, right, let's go again then, and I'll see you on the start line. What I'm going to do now though is up my power again to 810 horsepower. An extra 100 horsepower gave me the benefit of 0.3 of a second in the quarter mile. It was definitely spinning its wheels a lot more. More wheel spin. Oh! No, he thinks it's close. He thinks it's close. but this 800 horsepower's got him. Your launch was like next to me. I thought, I've had it here. What did you get, some wheel spin or something?
Yeah, it got some extra wheel spin, and then it tried to be too clever, and it upshifted earlier than I would have if I was a human taking care of it. And I think I lost out a little bit there, but it's a computer. It was doing better than I could have. It just felt like it shifted up too early to me.
Okay, let's do it one more time then. Would this be the decider or what? No, it's not. How many have we done? We've done 3.
Yeah.
3.
Yeah.
I've won 2, you've won 1.
Okay, let's keep going.
Matt, I think this is a little bit down on power because of this cat thing, because I keep getting the warnings.
Do you want to just give it a drive, let it cool down? What do you want to do?
Yeah, I'm just going to drive it a little bit.
It's really funny. Sam thinks there's something up with the car. I'm really messing with his head. This is mean, but also kind of funny. Off he goes. He doesn't know what's going on. Oh, he's going to hate me when he sees this. He's going to want to punch me. Sorry, Sam. Please don't punch me.
3, 2, 1.
Getting a lot of wheel spin. I think I've got him. He's not going to reel this back in. This is flying. I think that's that, isn't it?
Yeah, I think, bless her, I think the problem is that initial launch, just there, I think they're pretty well matched. Obviously, if when we do the rolling, things will be different, but just there, that little jump you get, I can't close it in quarter mile.
Yeah, I mean, that's the thing about the GT-R. I mean, this is the Nismo version, but the way this thing launches, yeah. So you reckon then, in the rolling race, I'm dead meat?
This is going to peel away from you.
Before then, though, let's do the thing. So then, what exactly happened? Well, the Nissan won, crossing the line in 10.6 seconds. The Ferrari took 10.7 seconds. If you're changing your car, then you've got to check out CarWow, because there's nothing quite like knowing that you're getting a great price, both when selling your old car and finding a new one. CarWow makes all the stuff that's hard work about car changing, like the haggling, the no-shows, and the nasty surprises, a thing of the past, life-changing. Now, if you want to go to CarWow right now, I'll put a link in the description of this video and the pinned comment. Alternatively, you can click on the pop-out banner ping in the top right-hand corner of the screen now, or scan the QR code on screen using your mobile phone to go directly there. Car change, CarWow. Right, now we have a rolling race from about 40 miles an hour, roll on in second gear, full sport setting. Okay, here we go. 3, 2, 1, go. He's wondering why he's not absolutely gapping me. Woohoo! But he's beating me, and it's close though. Blimey, that is mental. Gotta say, you edged ahead. That response of a naturally aspirated engine just picks up so quick. But you weren't absolutely gapping me.
I did fluff a little bit short on a gear change because I had my radio up here because it's so loud I couldn't hear you. I did think it was going to stretch a little bit further, but yeah, fair play to that Nismo. It's still quick, isn't it?
Yeah, you've got your book of excuses out today, haven't you? How many pages have you read from? There's at least 6 or 7.
Yeah, but it's a hardback. It's tactile. It's nice to do. None of this Kindle stuff.
You can't quite fathom why this 600 horsepower feels like it's got 800. It's because it's got 800. Nothing like winding up your mates, is that? It's a good day at work. Okay then, Sam. Third gear roll on, same thing. 3, 2, 1, go. That was a bit of a bigger margin. Not by loads, but yeah. That was a bit of a shame in third gear, that was. Right, let's do a brake test. If you'd rather watch another drag race with some crazy high performance and Nissan GT-R, click click on the pop-out banner or follow the QR code on screen now. If not, stay here for the brake test. Oh, damn. Yeah, that was close.
It was close, wasn't it? I guess similar weight-ish, aren't they? Both stiff cars. It's not going to be much in it.
No. Oh well. I win the drag racing.
You win the rolling races and the brake test.
The Nissan wins.
And the noise. Don't forget the noise.
You win the noise, you win the noise. Yeah, but you almost got us thrown off here, so I'm not sure whether it's a win or a lose. We'll see whether we're filming here again in the future. Who knows? Anyway, I hope you all enjoyed the video. If you did, give it a like. If you want to watch some other videos, click on the windows. If you want to see these cars quarter mile times, compare them to every other car we've ever drag raced, just click on the carwow logo. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time. Oh, and thanks to the guys for lending us these cars. Thanks, guys. Appreciate it. The links and stuff are below.